Have the kids in your neighborhood been calling you out on your sucky Christmas wreath?
What do you want?
Want to buy a wreath?
Ma! This kid thinks your wreath sucks!
The kid's probably not wrong. Don't worry, keep watching and I'll show you how to turn that sad, sad wreath into the envy of your neighborhood. With a little Christmas magic, we're gonna turn this miniature Lego wreath into a full-size wreath you can hang on your door. You're not gonna wanna miss this print. Go ahead and grab the files. I've left the links in the description below. For this print, I used 4 different colors: white, red, gold, and grass green. If interested, I've left links in the description below. If you enjoy LEGO as much as we do, check out our sister channel, Brickmade, for in-depth reviews on the latest sets and anything LEGO related. If you were wondering about my manicured nails, that was not me. My wife was so excited to turn this into this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It'll motivate me to make more like this. From our family to yours, we hope that you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy printing.